Hey everybody. What's happening? You having a good time? We're back again. We're going to take a look at all these markets that you see on the screen right here. I'm Rob Booker. Welcome. I'm going to do some live trading. I was hoping I could see the chat window today. Well, that's not working. So if you're here live and you're chatting along with us, welcome. Glad to have you here. I'm going to find a way to not only read your chats while we're on here together, but to show them on the screen. Do you really want to see what other people are saying? I got myself into this argument with somebody yesterday about politics. I don't know if you've heard, but some people sometimes post politically natured things on Facebook. Oh, what a waste of my time. That was just really, that was a waste of my time. Oh my gosh. Welcome to the broadcast. We're going to do some live trading today on these 5-minute charts. I hope you are enjoying doing that live trading. Here's a look at what I'm seeing today. Let's take a look and see if there's any economic reports that we need to pay attention to today as we go. Pulling up the economic calendar. I'm going to see if anybody's chatting with us. I got this app just so I could read everybody's messages. There's Canadian GDP today. It's already out. It's done. We don't care about it. All right, let's check out the charts here. Let's see if anything is overbought or oversold or looking particularly interesting. Doesn't look like there's anything interesting right now. Or as Bernard would say, doesn't look like anything to me. Okay, I'm going to pull this up. I think I just put 2 relative strength index on my chart. Good job, Booker. Way to go, man. Let's see here. You can pull this up. You can see me putting all these indicators on the charts. I don't need this. And let's pull the... So my friend Boris wrote me yesterday, and he said, hey, what's going on with the binaries? Have you lost your mind? And I said, no, I'm really having a good time. And the thing is about binary options, it's all ones and zeros and yes or no. And I spent such an enormous amount of my life hearing the word no that it's no big deal. I hear no all the time. I mean, when I was in college, it was no, let's not ever go out, or no, don't talk to me. Or my kids, you know, no, let's not go to 7-Eleven and buy 700 energy drinks and play Fortnite all night long. Hey, Tiago, nice to see you. Hey, Emma Flynn. Andres Jaramillo is here. Excellent, I'm seeing your chat messages on YouTube, so chat me up on YouTube and say hello. Or Periscope, say hello. It's nice to see you. All right, let's take a look at the 5 minutes here. Pull up the markets. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes. Anything look interesting here? US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, that looks interesting. Okay, what do we got going on here? Ooh, apparently there's not a market being made for that right now. But look at the relative strength index is overbought right here. All right, let's do this. Let's check this out. Below 29.95. Ooh, I can get this one cheap. I'm gonna get in on that. So what I just did was I looked at this relative strength index, looked at these slightly bearish forming candles, and I thought to myself, hey self, let's get on some of this dollar Canadian action. Hey, Charles Nix is here. Hey, Chuck, nice to see you. Jeremy Rankin is here. David Rogers is here. Welcome, David. Good morning, Noel. Good morning, Noel. So we're here today to lose more money. Trade more binary options and lose more money. Who wouldn't want to do that? I love being able to see everybody's messages. Jose Antonio Rodriguez is here from España. El País de Jamón. Boris would like that. Boris and I need to come have some ham with you. Or as some people say in Spain, have some jam. Have some jam. Listening to free music for vlogs and videos. This is Vlad Glushenko. I don't know. I like having the music in the background. It brings peace to my heart. Oh, look at our binary option is going into profit. Could we start things off with a win? Is it even remotely possible that this turns into a win? Hey, the deal is pay as little as possible. As little as possible. A lap. It's the ALAP method of trading. Come on, you got this. You got this. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes, we're profitable. Now we're not. Wow, this is a roller coaster ride of emotions. I'm feeling things I've never felt before. If you're joining us on Periscope, would love to hear from you. Say hello. Hi, everyone. Hello. Just chatting everybody up. I tried to send a message to you. It didn't work. Anyway. All right, come on. This can go into profit. Let's do this. I'll pull this bad boy up so as soon as this goes profitable, I can close this out. I'm not going to ruin my entire day by starting everything off badly. You know, I should probably just take like a $2 loss on this trade. That's not a bad idea. If I can get back to a small loss, I'm going to take the small loss. Okay, you can't really see my screen you can see this at the bottom of the screen. It's not perfect, but you can see it. 2 minutes to go on this binary option. Charles says first discretionary trade this week was negative $68. My first trade this week was terrible. Oh, we got to look at some of those yen charts because I still have some of those trades open. Do I still have those trades open? We're going to check that out. I really want to keep an eye on this trade right here. And then we can check on those yen charts. Let's see here. We can maybe even pull that up while we're waiting. As many of you know, we took some euro yen, Swiss yen. Oh, seriously? No value? No trade value right now? Oh, dollar Canadian, I will have my revenge. You dirty, rotten jerk. Russian hackers jumping in on this. Probably changing my trade from profitable to unprofitable. Andre says, this binary options trading doesn't look like trading, it looks like gambling. Well, I don't know about that. Okay, look, I'm looking at so now you drop. Anyway, I'm looking at the 5-minute charts. I'm looking at overbought and oversold. And I think what we're doing is we're taking a trade based on the 5-minute charts. If I were to take a discretionary trade, wow, that's an expensive trade. I can't take that trade. As you can see here, I wanted to take the same trade I had a moment ago, but it's too expensive. It's $47 to take that trade. So that trade can just basically shove it. Oh, look at the euro yen. It fell nicely. We're going to check in on that account. Oh, and the Swiss yen fell too. So while we're waiting for a good trade here, let's check the account. Okay, here we go. Oh, we're back. So we've got some good stuff going on here. We have on the euro yen a loser and a winner. And then on the Swiss yen, a small win and a loss. So we're going to keep that open for a bit. But let's just close these euro-yen trades out. Close this trade. Yeah, close it. Close this one. Okay, we'll do better next time. We'll keep plugging away. We'll keep putting some profit in the account. Okay, I'm going to turn off notifications on this iPad so that you can't hear all these stupid mail notifications. I don't know why anybody would ever send me mail. Oh, that wasn't even. Come on. I don't want any notifications. This jerk. Okay, let's go back over to the charts here, and we'll take a look and see if there's anything good. Aden Iran said this looks like gambling too. No, I don't think so. I mean, I think gambling is when you're leaving it up to complete chance and you're not doing any analysis whatsoever. And when you're being a complete knucklehead. Yeah. I don't think I'm being a knucklehead. I'm a knucklehead every Tuesday, but not on Thursdays. All right, come on. Let's check out the chat. Hey, welcome. If you're just joining us now, my name is Rob Booker, and if you like the YouTube channel and you like the live trading, click the like button, and welcome. Glad to have you here. I really want to do a trade, a short trade on the dollar Canadian, and I could have done that trade even though it was kind of expensive, and it looks like it would have been profitable. You know, you got to pull the trigger on the good ones. Hey, Erica, I'm learning so much in trend trading. Hey, that's great. Trend trading is awesome. In fact, because the dollar Canadian trend is up here on the short-term charts, we might even do a buy trade in a minute here. Look at that, trend is up. Wow, that is interesting. What a move today. The way you move tonight. No, that's pretty beautiful. That's a beautiful. So more on this idea here. So let's say I wanted to trade short-term charts in FX or even on stocks. I would pull up some indicators, I would pull up some news, I would pull up some information, I would get the Psychic Friends Network and Dionne Warwick on the line, and I would do some analysis, and then I would take a trade. The problem with short-term trading in FX is that I might have to have a really big trade size and a small profit target and a big stop loss. I think if I trade the stuff that we're looking at right here, I could pay as little as possible to get into the trade, have a reasonably large payoff if it works, with a limited amount of risk. And everything is over in 5 minutes. That, I think, is my favorite part. New Zealand Swiss looks like a buy, says Alexandru. I love it when I can see your comments. David Huxtable, there is a correlation going on between yuan and gold, only just discovered. Oh, New Zealand dollar, Schweizer franc does look like a buy trade. Holy smokes. That looks delightful. We might just go ahead over here and take a trade. Let's get this on here. New Zealand dollar, Schweizer Franken. Let's just buy some of this. Come on, stop it, charts. I'm not going to buy that much of it. Let's not be crazy. Take profit. What is it trading at right now? It's trading at 64.61. I'll just go 64.85 to start. Okay, let's go back over here. What do we got going on the short-termers? Hey, short-termer. Look a buy trade on the dollar CAD. Oh, that's too much to spend. No, let's do it anyway. Let's do it. Okay, we're in. So I just said, oh yeah, we're profitable already. Sweet baby Jane. Nice, we could analyze this later. We could discuss the merits of your proposal at another time. Come on, go above 29.91. Come on. I like this. I like this instant feedback. David Huxtable. Love you, man. Nice. Someone here recommended that when we do the giveaway in September, that we do a giveaway on Android devices. And I thought, well, that's an interesting proposal. We've taken your proposal and we've thrown it in the trash. No, just kidding. I like that idea a lot. We could do it. We could do an Android giveaway. I could even do a limit order here and try to get out at a certain point. But I like this amount of profit. Come on, let's do a limit. Oh, that's nice. 38 bucks, 39 bucks. Let's take 49. I don't know what I got, but we did a good job. Hey, wait. Close. Hey, close the trade. I said close the trade. That was nice. That was great. See, I like that. I said we're trading with the trend. So I would have had to trade with a micro lot on a small account and made 50 pips in 2 minutes. Do you think that's really likely to happen? No. No, that's ridiculous. That would never happen. As Chewbacca would say, never would happen. But see, here I was able to say, I think it's going to go up. I want to pay as little as possible for the right to benefit if it does go up. I'm going to fight for my right to benefit. Just like the Beastie Boys said. Cheyenne said, this is interesting. In the UK, I believe binaries are no longer allowed with ESMA rulings. We can set you up. We can hook you up. ESMA stands for, ESMA is actually Latin for giant pain in the butt. Okay, back over to the charts. 2 minutes away from the next set of options. What do we have to choose from here? And what if we looked at the 1 minute charts instead? No, not. Just forget I said that. Pound yen. I don't know. We could take a look at the pound yen. Just take a look at it. Let's do it. Yeah, that looks dumb. Australian dollar. That looks kind of dumb too. What is this one? The euro yen? Never heard of this euro yen. What is this euro yen you speak of? My hands smell like onions. How is that even possible? Well, anyway. Oh yeah, I cooked mushroom ravioli last night. You should have come over. 1 minute away from the next option's expiration. I hope you are having a spectacular time today. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you're on Facebook, I can't see anything you're writing. Well, maybe I can. Can I see anything you're writing? Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's do this. Let's see if I could see your comments on Facebook. Takes forever for the page to load. Anything going on over there? No. No, it's not. Nothing is going on. Let's go back over to the YouTube comments and the Periscope comments. 0 comments from Periscope. I don't know why that is. But I do love hearing from you while we're doing this live. Okay, 925, here we go. 925 for me, 1025 for the charts. Are we back at the US dollar, Canadian dollar? I don't want to be back on that one. I want to look at this euro yen. Looks mildly interesting. Anything cheap we can buy here? Something above 129.76. That seems totally expensive. 129.81. That's not too bad. I wish that was less expensive. Remember, it matters what you pay for something. Like if I could pay $8 for the right to make $92, as long as the setup's valid, that's a pretty good risk to reward ratio. Well, there are more comments. Hi. It's all David Huxtable. Say hi to Cliff. I think I'm going to regret not buying this euro-yen situation. But I want to get this trading account up to 500 bones. Yeah. Yeah, I get all these emails every time a position is executed. It's unbelievable. See what happened in the news while we're waiting for this. Corporate profits take off. U.S. Canada say trade talks are on track. That'll be great for the market. Small stocks gain big for now. I love small stocks. Guns and sportswear hold down sales at Dick's. I'll go to Dick's. Wall Street Journal, nothing interesting today. Let's see if, oh, look at this. I probably could have gotten away with buying that euro-yen. I could have bought it, but I still wouldn't have profited very much. You could see here, if I'd bought even the, this is crazy, even if I'd bought this one over here, it's still not increasing in value. So this is the buy price. And the sell price hasn't gone up enough that it wouldn't have made any money. So even if you gotta pay as little as possible for something that's going to move as much as possible. Trump lawyer is ushered out with a tweet. You're fired. DeVos plans to reshape misconduct rules. Nixon blasts Cuomo. He blasts the president. Enough of the politics. Everybody shut up. Jeez, can't we all just get along? We can not. All right, the news is filled with nothing today. Yeah, there was nothing interesting today. It's all just people arguing with each other. Okay, let's see if in the next few minutes we can get another one. We're 1 minute away from the next option. And I still want to do something on the euro-yen. What does this euro-yen look like? Whoa, it's just getting down to a trend line. Oh, Ninja is live on Twitch. I like this buy trade on the euro-yen. Okay, 1 minute away. Let's do it. Thanks for all of you that are watching the videos. Really appreciate you. You make life great. Me and the sock monkey appreciate you very much. I wish that would not ding every time an email comes in. That really drives me bananas. Okay, we're 1 30-second period away from things. Check on the robot account real quick. Still got some losing trades open over here. Yeah, so that's just... Okay, here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, what are we looking at here? I could pay $13 for something that goes above. I'm not going to do it. Look at that, still not going up enough to really turn into a good trade. I don't see anything overbought or oversold enough. This dollar Canadian could. What if I gave this euro yen 20 minutes? What if I did that? Here, we'll pull up the chart so you can actually, oh, well, that doesn't, I don't care about any of that. All right, let's go back to the 5-minute situation. Euro, yen. Yeah, I'm not going to overpay for this. I'm not going to get myself, I will not be undersold. Mad Eddie. Mad Eddie's binaries. 129.85? Whoa, these are all very expensive. What suddenly happened here? I want it to be cheap. Looks like the dollar yen is moving down pretty quickly. I just hate the dollar yen. That doesn't ever seem to work out for me. All right, I think I'm gonna let this stay where it is. I think I grew the account a little bit. That's what we try to do here. If you're enjoying the videos, let me know. You can leave a comment. That's the easiest way to do it. All month long in September, once a week, we're going to give away at least one iPad or Android tablet. Well, I don't know. You got other ideas for what to give away? Leave a comment. Leave me a comment in the Facebook or in the YouTube video and let me know what you think. I'm not going to do it. I think starting in September, we're going to go longer and do a lot more of this. But right now, I think we've gotten to a point where I haven't lit anything on fire, including myself. Really love spending time together with you. If you are a member of the robot certification class, our webinar is later today. Got big stuff to talk about, that British pound Australian dollar trade. And if you're not in the robot certification class, now's the time. I will put a link in the Facebook and the YouTube video later today. Or you can just go to the homepage, robbooker.com, because tomorrow the price of the robots goes up to $1,000. And you can get a huge discount at robbooker.com for the next 24 hours. And I really would love to have you inside the robot membership. Thanks for being here, everybody. I love you all. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you on maybe tomorrow on Friday.